For the next exercise, predict the result of the following expressions involving type coercion. Write down what you think each will evaluate to. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. Okay, let's check your answers. Result is string 10 minus 2. The result is 8, since 10 is converted to a number. String 10 plus 2. The result is 102, since the plus operator performs string concatenation. True plus false equals 1, since true is converted to 1 and false is converted to 0 before addition. Strings 5 times 2 is 10. Both strings are converted to numbers and then multiplied. 5 plus string 2 is 52. 5 is converted to string and then concatenated with 2. String 6 divided by 2 is 3, since 6 is converted to a number before division. String 10 times 2 is 20, because 10 is converted to a number before multiplication. Strings 10 minus 2 is 8. Both 10 and 2 are converted to numbers before subtraction. String 5 plus true is 5 true, because true is converted to string and concatenated with a string 5. Strings 5 minus 2 pixels is not a number, because 2 pixels cannot be converted to a number, so result is not a number. 5 times empty string is 0. Empty string is converted to 0 before multiplication. String 5 times null is also 0, since null is converted to 0 before multiplication. False plus null is also 0. False is converted to 0 and null is also converted to 0 before addition. String 10 plus null is 10 null. Null is converted to string and concatenated with 10. And strings 5 plus 5 result in 55, since both strings are concatenated here.